Hello, hello, and welcome back. This is video number 2 and answering the number 5 question using a right triangular prism. What is the total area of the right triangular prism? So I wanted to kind of give you a visualization. So those of you who struggle with math may really need this kind of visualization. In order to find the area, total area, you have to find the total area of each of these 5 shapes connected to this right triangular prism and add them up all together to get that total area. I will go into that in-depthly in the next coming videos. But I wanted to visually show you there are 2 right triangle faces. Okay? And I highlighted that in yellow so you could see that. There are 2 rectangular shapes, technically 3, but I wanted to break them up into 2, and they're highlighted here in blue. They are, and this is the other, highlighted in blue, the 2 rectangular shapes, and then there's a giant rectangular shape, one more highlighted in orange, okay? And so you need to understand that sides opposite in a rectangle are equal to each other. We know that this length here is 8 for the largest rectangular shape of this prism. We know the side of that length, which is the hypotenuse of the right triangle. I found in that question 1 videos regarding what is the hypotenuse of the right angle. We know this value here is 5. We know the base of the triangle is 3. Okay, so we can figure out the area of all of these shapes and then add them up and add them up together to find the total area of these shapes. So in answering the question, right triangle prism has 5 total shapes. Just kind of went over that generically. And I wanted to visually show you that. So I want to visually also show you the area formula for these shapes, okay? I'm going to try not to rush through this. I'm going to try to take my time and explain. This is how you answer this type of question. So I have 2 right triangles. Again, a base of 3, height of 4, and a hypotenuse of 5. I showed you how to figure that out in that first question regarding this triangular prism. And here on the right is an explanation of the formula, right? So for the area of a rectangle or a square, the formula is base times the height, right? So I tried to take this triangle and extend it to show you a rectangle, base times height. And so for a triangle, doesn't that look like half of a rectangle or a square? That's the reasoning for the formula. 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay, and we have 2 of these shapes. So we'll find the area for both, add them together. Now we got the total area for the triangles. Let's take a look at this other 2 shapes I'm showing you here. Let me bring this down so you can have a visualization of both of those. We have 2 shapes I showed you, a side length of 4, height, of 8, side length of 3, base of 8. Again, length times width, or I was taught base times the height, right? So 8 times 3 gives me the area of one. 8 times 4 gives me the area of the other. Add them together with the triangles. We're getting closer to finding the total area. And then the last shape of this triangular prism, All right, we have right here, I highlighted that in orange. We have a hypotenuse length of 5, the height length of 8. And the formula is the same, base times the height. You add up all those areas together, you'll get the total area of this triangular prism, which is what I'm going to show you in the next videos. Video 3 and possibly video 4. Again, I like to go slow. I don't like to rush through this stuff. Math can be confusing when teachers or instructors go way too fast. I want to go slow. Hey, if I've helped you, please help me in helping others by liking, sharing, following, subscribing, and share these videos with others who you know are trying to pass some of these standardized assessments. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. And math is easy. Take it step by step.